lot about belts in the past, and definitely in this video, the belt comes up in almost every single look. And so what's so magical about this belt? Well, this belt is a one size fits all. It's also rounded. So you'll see, look, there is that curve. That curve makes a big difference because it draws the attention down. It creates this kind of narrowing in the waist and then rounded around the belly. And then the ties are very long. So you may have seen belts like these in the past, but they're kind of very short and then you can't do much with them. Whereas this one, you actually can do this. Look at how fabulous it is. You can draw the eye down the body with having it long like this, or you can even wrap it around again if these ties are going to get on your nerves and if it's long for you. So there's so many different ways that you can use a belt. And let me tell you, girlfriends, that you may have some things already in your closet that are pretty shapeless. Get a magic belt, put it on, and watch the transformation. The other little trick that I like to use is to use a buckle with these belts. It's quite a fun little look. It does this elevation look, and you can take something, maybe a vintage buckle, maybe something that you've had from an old belt that is kind of not working anymore, and you can just elevate this look in 1 second.